Igbo-speaking peoples are one nation, one language, with different dialects. Let us stop making excuses for ourselves. Don't say that poverty is the reason that we are sliding into this barbarism. Poverty is not the reason. Igbo land was not rich in the 1900s. We were poor, and yet we did not worship money in this way. We did not slide into barbarism. We did not kill one another. We believed in basic things, in telling the truth, in standing for moral ideas, in not stealing, in earning your money in a way that is transparent. Let us celebrate alternative things. Let us celebrate knowledge. Let us celebrate hard work. Let us celebrate community. We must remember that we are a great people.